Hello friends, my name is Dr. Manu Bora. I am an orthopedic surgeon in Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon. We all want to live healthy and pain-free life, for which we need stronger bones. So in this topic, we are going to discuss about how to get your bone stronger and healthy. Why bone health is so important? Guys, if your bones are weak, then is a very high chance of getting fracture even with a small or trivial fall. Sometimes the bone gets so weak that the patient comes to us with a fracture even without any history of fall. So the bones start having fractures by own body weight. So that is why we need stronger bones so that we can have a very good and pain-free life. So what are those things which we need to do to get the healthy bones and to make our bones strong? We are going to cover each and every topic of this in detail. The most important is to have adequate amount of calcium. If you are younger than 50 years of age, you require 1000 milligram of calcium per day. If you are older than 50 years of age, you require 1200 milligram of calcium per day. Now coming about that, what are the good source of calcium which we can have in the food? So the most important is milk and milk products. A glass of milk gives you around 300 milligram of calcium. But many of the people, either they are lactose intolerant, or if we are consuming lot of milk, then there is a high chance of getting ovarian and prostate cancers, which has been shown in the studies that drinking more than 3 glasses of milk will increase your chance of having these type of cancers. So we must look out other source of calcium as well. Calcium is very important for your bone health, but other things are also very important. So what are those other things which is equally important as calcium? So adequate exercises is very important to make your bone stronger. If you are eating a lot of calcium but if you are not doing any kind of exercises, then the calcium will not go and deposit in your bones. So when we do exercises, there is a lot of stress in the bone, and then the body tends to pull calcium into the bone to make them more stronger. Adequate amount of vitamin D is also very important for the bone health. The daily requirement is almost 1000 milligram per day. It is very difficult to get vitamin D from the sunlight, because to get it you need to do a sun bath in a swimming costume with the oil applied all over the body. So my advice is to take a vitamin D supplementation. You can look out for any supplementation which gives you 1000 milligram per day. Vitamin K is also very important in the calcium metabolism of the body, and you get a lot of vitamin K from the greeny vegetables. Vitamin A is also important to make the bones healthy. You can get vitamin A from carrot and from the sweet potato. Other things are having an adequate amount of protein. If you don't have adequate amount of protein, then your bone is going to be weak. What should be the amount of protein you should eat per day? 70 milligram is enough for you guys. So try to eat lot of food items which has good source of protein, like dal, meat, eggs, paneer, dairy products. These are some of the food which will give you a lot of protein. You need to avoid caffeine and cola. These two products makes your bone very weak. So if I want to summarize the things, then you need to do regular exercises. You can find the exercises in my YouTube channel, Dr. Manu Bora, and you will find exercises for each and every body pain, like neck pain, knee pain, back pain. Adequate amount of calcium, adequate amount of protein, adequate amount of vitamin A, D and K.